Hey, how's the day been? Welcome to the channel. Today, we're gonna walk you through how to crop a picture in Pixlr. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. So, now let's open any browser of our preferred choice and make sure you have already an account on Pixlr. And once you created an account already, and once you get there, you will see two options, the open image and create new. But now, since we're going to use a photo, let's choose to click the open image and the file will pop out. And you just have to find the location of your preferred photo. Now, once you've found your photo that you want to crop, go ahead and click on it and hit open. Now, once you've already been there on the editor, go ahead and click on the crop tool. So now let's choose our preferred subject that we wanted to crop. So let's say this one. Let's crop this, and you can able to drag whatever position you want on to make it even more symmetrical on your end. Now let's click on the apply button to apply these changes. Once you've satisfied, you can able to save it to your files by clicking on this button on the bottom right, also called save button. So go ahead and click on that. Now, how about we've chose a different sizes that is already been here. Now, how about we've chose a different size that's already been here. So it's actually easy. So let's click on this size and go ahead and click on this none on the preset section to look for specific crop sizes. And as you can see, there's a lot of provided sizes over here. I just have to scroll down to find your preferred size. The YouTube channel art, as you can see, the excess black on the bottom and on the top has not been included to the image. So now I'm satisfied with this image. Let's click on apply and hit the save button. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.